Hello and welcome to TDS. My name is Mr. Bright and I'll be your instructor for this project. In this project, we will be using real-life historical data from Amazon. This challenge is worth $5,000 on cargo. Unlike the other projects, in this particular project I will introduce you to CardBoost library developed by Yandex engineers, which can be used for search, recommendation systems, personal assistance, self-driving cars, weather predictions, among other problems. And I will show you some amazing features of the CardBoost library in handling the Amazon dataset. At the end of the project, you'll see something like this. We will start by loading the various libraries using the PyForest, and then load our dataset. This dataset is contained in two different files, that is the train file and then the test file. I'll also show you a different way where we can load this dataset using the CardBoost library. After that, we also do some visualization to get to know our dataset better. Then we also check the correlation that is existing among the various features that we have in our dataset. Then we start by building our model using the CardBoost classifier. If you want to visualize the tree that we have over here, we can also do that. We also do some cross-validation and then check the features that are of very importance to our algorithm, which are contributing the most, by using the getFeatureImportance function. After that, we also check the score of our model. I'll also show you an alternative way where we can use the logistic regression together with the one-hot encoder to achieve the same thing. So as you can see, CardBoost is an incredible library. Together with the Amazon dataset, we can learn a lot of incredible new things. So let's get started.